Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking back this course about this particular page. Now we want to discuss how to add admin to the page. So let us go to our Facebook page. Okay, the first step is to go to the professional dashboard there. Sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Let us go back and go to professional dashboard, and I click on it. Yes, the next step is to press page access. So press page access, then add new tags. We next choose the particular person that we want to add as our admin or moderator or whoever on our page. Then we'll click on what the particular thing the person will do on our page, whether it be it ads, content creation, and many other. Will give access to the person. The next step is to put your password there. I've inputted it, see what it shows there. So the next step, it is for the person to log into his Facebook account. Then after logging into the Facebook account, see the notification there, invitation to manage Alawiz TV page too. So it is up to him to accept. After clicking that accept button, good. Now it has been done. Chicken. So you see, he has access to that Facebook account. So that is good. If you really enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, comment.